Video thumbnails lets viewers see a quick snapshot of your video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to add custom thumbnails to your YouTube videos. When you upload a video, you can choose a thumbnail from the three options YouTube automatically generates, or upload your own custom thumbnail. Keep in mind, you can only add a custom thumbnail if you have a verified account. Go to youtube.com/verify to verify your account. To be clear, a verified account is different from the verification badge you might see on some channels. Once your channel is verified, you will see an option to choose a custom thumbnail under video thumbnail options when you upload a new video. To add a custom thumbnail to a video you uploaded previously, go to YouTube Studio Beta. From the side panel, select Videos. Select a video by clicking on its title or thumbnail. Under Thumbnail, select the thumbnail option you want. If you choose Custom Thumbnail, you will be asked to choose an image. Your thumbnail should have resolution of 1280 by 720 with a minimum width of 640 pixels of JPEG, GIF or PNG. Be under 2 MB and use a 16:9 aspect ratio. After you've chosen your thumbnail, click Save. So remember to avoid misleading, clickbaiting or sensational imagery when creating a custom thumbnail. Your thumbnail, just like any content you put on YouTube platform, needs to follow their community guidelines. You can get a strike on your account. So that's how you can add custom thumbnail to your YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.